Welcome to Smart Science. Today, we'll explore one of the most fascinating topics in biology, the ABO blood group system. Why is blood group O called the universal donor? And what makes AB the universal acceptor? Stay with us for the next 3 minutes, and you'll understand it all. Introduction to blood groups. The ABO blood group system is a way to classify human blood based on specific markers called antigens found on the surface of red blood cells. There are 4 main blood groups: A, B, AB, and O. This classification depends on the presence or absence of A and B antigens and their interaction with antibodies in the plasma. Antigens and antibodies explained. Let's break it down. Antigens are like name tags on red blood cells. Group A has A antigens, Group B has B antigens, Group AB has both, and Group O has none. Meanwhile, antibodies are like security guards in the plasma. They attack antigens that don't belong. For example, blood group A has anti-B antibodies, so it can't accept blood from Group B or AB. Blood group O has both anti-A and anti-B antibodies but no antigens, making it special. Why is O the universal donor? Blood group O is known as the universal donor because it has no antigens on its red blood cells. This means there's nothing for the recipient's antibodies to attack, so O group blood is safe for anyone to receive. Why is AB the universal acceptor? On the other hand, AB blood is the universal acceptor.
Why?
AB blood has both A and B antigens, but no antibodies in the plasma. This means people with AB blood can receive blood from all groups without any immune reaction. Now, let's add another layer, the Rh factor. The Rh factor is an antigen that can either be present, Rh positive, or absent, Rh negative. This means your blood type could be A+, A-, O+, or O-, depending on the Rh factor. Here's why it matters. Rh negative individuals can only receive Rh negative blood. Rh positive individuals can receive both Rh positive and Rh negative blood. Importance of blood grouping. Knowing your blood group is critical because safe blood transfusions. Mismatched blood can cause serious immune reactions, including clumping and destruction of red blood cells. Pregnancy care. Rh incompatibility between a mother and baby can lead to complications like hemolytic disease of the newborn. Emergency situations. Knowing your blood type can save precious time in life-threatening cases. Quick recap. Blood group O is the universal donor because it has no antigens. Blood group AB is the universal acceptor because it has no antibodies. The Rh factor adds an extra layer of compatibility, crucial for transfusions and pregnancy. And that's the ABO blood group system, simplified for you by Smart Science. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting science content. See you in the next video.